Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you there was an error connecting to the platform in Valorant error code val59. So let's begin. So here we are, and this problem is really easy to solve because the cause of this might just be there's a downtime on the Valorant servers. That's why it's happening. So the best you can do is just wait, or you could try these steps right here. So you could go and to your start menu and you could restart your computer. Right here you could restart, or you could also go here into your task manager. And from here you want to find the Riot client, or just like this one, you want to end task that Riot client, and you also want to find Valorant. So you want to add all processes or tasks that is in here related to Valorant right here. So you want to end task everything. So let's see if I have my Valorant right here. So I don't have it. So I don't have to end task anymore because there is currently no processes running in my background that is related to Valorant. And yeah, you could do both of it just to be sure. But yeah, that is just a simple solution, and how you can solve it. It's just mainly because of the downtime on the Riot client or the servers in Valorant. I hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.